they said to me, yeah, imali yakho iphelele. I was like, no, ayiphelelanga. Imali yami ayiphelelanga. Imali le mina engiyisebenzele, le mina nani esizweni ngayo, ayiphelelanga. They sent me a paper. Iphepha lakhona libhaliwe episode banibani, episode banibani. Angil understand because of angilazi ngiqala ukulibona. And if bangisendela lona ekuqaleni, I don't think bengizovuma mina ukubuyela eTV. Not after izinto engizenzile ezinye engazifuni ngempilo yami. But because of umsebenzi wami bengiwuthanda and ngiba appreciate nawo ngiwu appreciate ngingenendaba because of bengisebenza and bengiyithola imali. But manje if kuzoba so, no, angifuni ngami mina. Into engiyifuna kibo imali yami, because I don't want to go deep. Yes, good. They have threats always against us. Mangabe kunento esingayithandi ukuthi yana bayi company enkulu bona, they will do what and what. Ndalo wait. Shh. I know ukuthi like kunento eziningi. Yeah, bazonixosha. Niyamazi Opri yaxoshana in umuntu umxosha kanjani umxoshela into obona nawe ukuthi le into engabe siyayilungisa and then icompany ikhule siqhubeke ngempilo.
Ngayo imoja la idlalele kakhulu ngathi guys uma hlala entabeni into la ikhuluma ke maciniso yonke ayikho into lengaseliciniso so ningathi hayi amanga iciniso into la ikhulumako.